partner in both, Dana.
And Dina.
And guess where we are? The YouTube Creator Camp. And it's gonna be an all-day event. So we hope that you stay with us throughout this vlog.
We're gonna learn some tips and tricks from the top YouTubers. Oh my gosh, we're so excited.
We are so excited.
Excited to see Mikey Bustos.
Oh my gosh, me Alex was
She has a crush on Alex Sosa.
We are so excited to show you everything that's going on here.
Yes.
So without further ado, lights,
Camera.
action. We are now registering. We already have our ID.
Yes. We feel official.
Yes. And then
IDs.
yes, and then we also have notebook, pen, and notebook here.
Hi, this is Jay.
Nakita ko yan somewhere, swear. Ano tawag dyan?
GoPro.
Galing!
Please.
Are you guys twins?
No, just I wish.
Oh, you guys look like twins.
We are making it here
Inside.
Any thoughts?
Everyone's vlogging.
Everyone's vlogging.
Lahat may camera.
Oh my gosh, na-overwhelmed kami kasi bigla na lang may mga taong gumaganon sa face namin. But it's okay kasi nakaka-relate kami. Free coffee.
Which one would you like to try?
What do you recommend?
Actually, both kasi masarap
Both.
eh.
Sige, we'll take na lang one of each. This is berry mocha. What can you say?
Ang sarap. Lasa
Ang
may
sarap.
dinipdig na strawberry.
Wait, ako naman.
Hi Angie, I watch your videos and for me it just inspired me to be more positive. And my question is, are there people who spread hate on your channel? And if there are, how do you do it?
I think one thing you need to remember is people love jumping on negative bandwagons.
Hi. So now it's the lunch breakout session. Lunch with a surprise YouTuber.
Hi there. I love your camera.
Thank you.
It looks like an iPod case.
Can I take a selfie?
Yes, of course.
I'm with the Mikey Bustos.
Yeah, and I'm going to steal her hat because I love it and it matches my outfit.
It's okay. We love your videos.
Thank you so much. Hi.
This is my sister Dana.
Hi, Sister Dane.
And I'm Christina.
Hi, Christina. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
And now we're part of a YouTube Filipino family. Yes.
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
Alex was not. Guys, crush niya. Hi. Can we take a picture?
Yeah. Are you crying? Don't cry. It's
She
okay.
loves you and Lord.
Here you go. Hi.
It's Alex.
You guys are so pretty.
Thank you. I'm Christina and she's my sister.
Hi, I'm Alex. Hey, vlog. Is your vlog?
Yeah.
Hi, vlog.
You're so handsome. Pumunta lang siya talaga for Alex Wasap. Wait, oh my gosh, hindi siya nag-joke lang. See that face? Hi.
Oh, what's that?
It's a GoPro.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
I've never
We're
seen
with
how that looks like.
Janina.
Hey. Don't be okay.
Hi, I'm with Shabby Chic.
Hello.
The beautiful Chevy Chic.
Guys, super ganda.
triplets?
Oh my gosh, mas famous kayo. Picture
Nakita ko na kayo nung sa Hashtag.
Lunchtime and we're having lunch with Jello and Reese and Mike and Lloyd. Hi, Lloyd.
Oh my God, you have a very high-tech camera.
Thank you.
Ano yan?
GoPro.
Meron kayo niyan.
Guys, I got so much food. Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan napunta yung food ko. Pero, I can't finish it because sobrang starstruck namin. Super. As in super. But we're slowly warming up kasi sobrang welcoming ng lahat ng tao. Cheers. Cheers with my water. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Ana Victorino, baby. Kompleto. The makeup. Ang ganda, ang ganda.
Sorry, this was YouTube, not Snapchat.
Hi, I'm Ivy. I'm Thea, and Adora is not here. It's just the two of us. Yes, 2 out of 3. Yeah. So yeah, you may
It's vlogger now.
twins.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Madeline.
Hi, we're with Gab Valenciano. Gab Valenciano.
No, I'm just a little boy. Hi.
Can we ask you a question?
Yes.
We currently have 1,000 subscribers. Do you have any tips?
1,000 subscribers is good.
Thank you.
It's a good. Maybe we can collaborate one day. You know, like it's a lot of things. You know, so
But we don't know how to dance.
don't worry. All the people in my videos, a lot of them didn't know how to dance.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Just keep create more. I think that's the number one thing.
Thank